wonderful good morning. This is your brother and friend Jackson Banda from SADC Truck Drivers Association of Zambia. Today, the 8th of August 2023, Jack Rice Solutions TV has brought you a wonderful program which we will be talking about the main challenges that are faced by the truck drivers in this part of Africa. And we are calling ourselves the SADC Truck Drivers Association of Zambia, whose mandate is to ensure that men and women behind the wheels operates in good environment. In short, we address the social welfare of truck drivers in the Southern Africa region, such as health, security, and safety as they carry out day-to-day duties or operations. So, as an association, we are coming to the general populace to look at so many things that makes our people to sometimes complain, cry, and there isn't any voice which has been heard anywhere else. But we want to take this opportunity to share But we want to take this opportunity to share more of these challenges faced by truck drivers in the region. You know, in the recent past, we have heard where drivers have been protesting, striking, work stoppage. What has really contributed or what has really made drivers to take that path? So with this and many other challenges, we from the association will be coming time after time to remind our general populace about these wonderful people called truck drivers. And today, we are not only having men to drive trucks, but we have even women. Imagine crossing from one country to another and passing through Zambia. Zambia is a wonderful country, the land-linked country, which links Zimbabwe, Tanzania, South Africa, Congo DRC, all these countries, they traverse through this country. So we are a hub. Economically, we have boosted even our neighboring countries. They found refuge to use Zambia as their transit point. So with these few words, we are coming to you and have more series to talk about truck drivers and how best can we pay them back. We need to respect these men and women behind the wheel. Men are the times our people do receive insults, discouragements, because they love their job. They have not thrown in the towel. They are still pushing for their countries. I mean, I'm not only talking about Zambian truck drivers. Also, this video includes all truck drivers in this part of Africa. They do a lot to supplement
To all truck drivers in the region, including transporters that gives jobs to our people, we are grateful. I want to talk about challenges our truck drivers go through in the SADC region. Number 1. Drivers are usually get attacked by unknown young men from the communities. by threatening their lives out or even stunning windscreens just to get money and other valuables from drivers. Number 2. If one is involved in any traffic road accident, the whole blame shifts to the driver even if is not the one caused that accident. He can even lose life for the sin he did not commit. We shall continue exposing these vices up until communities start respecting truck drivers for the better economical growth of any country with the interest to develop and become the pillar of hope to its citizens. Leave truck drivers alone to work for you.